this information is captured in a block. And when you put it into the network, then one transaction is created, and this transaction is validated by consensus in the peer-to-peer network. And then it is added, this information is added to the existing chain of information that becomes a ledger. And it is actually a real-time embedment of the transactions. So you have your identity management, you can track, you can trace, and there is proof of work. And you can't change it in the internet because it's already immutable. That means you are not able to make any changes. Okay. So because of that, because it's by peer-to-peer consensus, then it enhances the authenticity and it also upholds the data integrity. So I won't go into the mechanics of blockchain, but what is important is for us to know what it can do for business. What is the potential? So I'd like to take one example, knowing that this is a doctoral kolokium. And this example is based on my co-authorship with my student, my master's student. Yeah. We look into blockchain and we see how blockchain can improve the existing business and how they can transform the business model and processes so that we can gain a competitive advantage. So we use a content analysis of literature. So when we start, we want to understand the body of knowledge. So even in your, for example, your doctoral research, what's important is for you to understand the body of literature in your knowledge area. So in this case, we identify 3 areas of contribution of blockchain technology. First thing is what we found, what the technology can contribute to business at the firm level. Then the characteristics of the technology that contribute to business competitiveness at the technological level. And the third one, the application at industry level. So we conclude by identifying also the research gaps and offer suggestions for future studies. Come up with 3 research questions, and we are going to answer these 3 research questions in our study. So the first one is, which topics discuss the competitive advantage provided by blockchain technology? So we need to understand all the research that's available, that's been published, what have they looked into regarding this topic, and how can the adoption of blockchain technology contribute to a firm's competitive advantage? And finally, what are the use cases of blockchain technology in business? So this is the methodology that we use. We use the database selection. We use Web of Science score collection because it houses several platforms so that we can get all the information from different journals. Then we do a data screening. This was done from January 2017 until December 2022. And we use precise words like blockchain and also competitive advantage because we want